Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I made my Jasmine shoes. So keep on watching. First, you will need a base shoe. Find a shoe that you would like to use as a base. I got this flat shoe from Amazon and I liked its shape and I thought it was perfect for Jasmine. You will need gold stretch fabric, threads, pins, ruler, marker, some elastic, saran wrap, duct tape, and Eva foam. Wrap your shoe with the saran wrap. This is to get an accurate shape of the shoe that we will use as a pattern. Cover the shoe with duct tape while following its shape. With a Sharpie, create the shoe pattern on the duct tape. Mark your pattern pieces so you don't get confused. I'm putting a letter R for the right side and L for the left side and naming the pattern left for left shoe. Now it's time to cut the pattern. Cut the pattern along the lines you have drawn. Make sure to not cut through the shoe itself. Trace your pattern into paper. Draw the pointy tip of the shoe. I used my curved ruler so it's easier. Once you are satisfied with the shape, cut your patterns and you will have something like this. The shoe pattern should be 3 pieces, comprising of the left and the right side and one for the sole. Get your gold stretchy fabric and lay it on your work table. I got this from Joann's and it's a 4-way stretch fabric. Trace your patterns onto the fabric. Make sure you remember how you drew each pattern because for the other shoe, you will need to draw the opposite of each. Cut your fabric with a little seam allowance. When cutting along the curl of the shoe, do not cut it to shape. It will be easier to sew if it's still a block of fabric. Pin the right and left side pieces together by the tip of the shoe. Sew the front of the shoe first, following the curl shape. Cut the curl shape to remove the excess fabric. Hem the upper edges of the shoe. Turn the curl inside out. Pin the back of the shoe together and sew them close. Test the shoe cover onto the shoe. Adjust the fit if necessary. Pin the sole piece to the side pieces of the shoe cover and sew them all together. Turn it inside out and stuff the curl tip with polyfill. You can now put the shoe in and it is done. Do the same process for the other shoe. Remember to mirror the pattern before you trace them to your fabric. And your Jasmine shoes are almost done. Get your sole pattern and trace it onto the Eva foam. I used 2mm foam which I bought from Joann's. Glue the sole to the shoe. And here is my finished Jasmine shoes. What I like about this is that you can take it off and you can still use your base shoe as is, or even use it for other projects. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and share this and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Do check out the other tutorials I have for my Jasmine cosplay. See you next time!